Hey guys, what's up? Welcoming to my YouTube channel. Hope all are you doing great. In this video, I will explain how to apply for National Skill Registry and how to generate IT PIN within 5 minutes. Let's get into the video. See, first, if you search National Skill Registry in Google, it will come like this page. Now, you have to click on register if you are fresher. If you already registered means you have to click on login and you have to log in with ITPIN and as your password. As your fresher means first you have to click on register. If you click means like this page it will come. See all these instructions. Welcome to registration module for National Skill Registry NSR. All these steps is there. First you create profile on NSR website. Next KYC with Aadhaar or video like this. All details they mentioned here. PAN card is mandatory, passport if you have, or else no problem. All these things mentioned here. After that you tick on I agree. Next you have to click on submit button. If you click on submit, next it will come like this page. This is the first step. You have to enter your details. See, first my present employer, it means like for which company you have to applying. For company name you have to select like see, customer. If you are applying for TCS means all these companies are available. See, if you are applying for TCS, next all these are in alphabetical order. T, you go for T. See here, Tata Consultancy Services like this. After that, if you have reference id, in actually in TCS they gave reference id like DT 2021 something. That number you have to enter an employee id. Next, all these things are no need for freshers. If you are experienced means you have to enter these details also. After that, next personal information. In personal information, give name, first name. See here you have to select Mr. or Mrs. After that you have to enter first name. Next, middle name. Middle name is optional. If you enter first name and last name also no problem. After that, previous names if any. If you have any previous names then enter here. And one more important thing, for which one star marks is there, you have to enter details for those mandatory. Next, gender means female, male like this. If you male means click on male. Next, date of birth. Date of birth you have to give correct as mentioned in your Aadhaar card. Next, mother's maiden name. It means before your mother marriage, I mean your grandfather first name, and you have to give your mother name. Next, father's full name. Next, spouse name is not mandatory. Next, nationality Indian. Next, house number and address, permanent address, present address, and all details you have to give. See address, house number, and area, city, and all this pin code and all. Next, immediate previous address. It means before previous address where any place you lived means then you have to enter. See here asking did you stay at your present address for less than 1 year. If yes means yes, and after that you have to give details. No means just click on no. Now, next, permanent address. Is your permanent address present address same means just click on yes, automatically details will come here. Next, other personal information like for confirmation thing, yeah, you have to enter mobile number. After that send OTP. That OTP will come your mobile number. After that you have to enter mobile number, and after that you have to, it will come successfully registered something. Next, email ID. Next you have to give email ID, and after that you have to check for that. Next, passport number. If you have passport number means enter here. If you don't have means no need to enter because it's not mandatory. Next, permanent account number. It's mandatory. If you don't have PAN card, before doing this you have to create PAN card. So you have to mention permanent account number here. Next, login ID. It means for after registration, if you want login NSR, that time you have to give one login ID password, right? So here they asking like which login ID you have to create and which password you have to create. Here anything, any name you wish, your name like that to create login ID and password and confirm password. After that, type the character you see in the picture above. After that, you have to enter all these numbers. Next, after that, save and continue. You have to click on save and continue. Next, it will open this page. See here, asking about current employee details. If you are fresher means you no need to give these details, just click on present employed. No need to give all these details. After that, next, after that, click on save and next. After filling those details, next page it will come all your filled details. See name, nationality, all this. Check once. If you have anything you did wrong means, again option is there like modify, like this option. So go and modify. If you don't have any mistakes means, next proceed to next step. See next page it will come for KYC using Aadhaar card KYC and biometric as well as video KYC. Better to use first one, Aadhaar card KYC. For this you have your Aadhaar linked mobile with you, because OTP will come to those mobile. So after clicking the Aadhaar XML KYC, next they are asking like Aadhaar prepared offline eKYC form. So without wasting time here, you have to click on Aadhaar card KYC. Next page it will come. So download Aadhaar paperless offline KYC form. You don't have that, right? So for this, they are asking like click here. If you click here means it will go to this page. They're asking like enter your 12 digit Aadhaar number. So you have to enter here 12 digit Aadhaar number. After that, enter security code. It means this code is there, right? RKKRY, this code you have to enter that. After that, you have to click on send OTP. It means the OTP will go to your Aadhaar linked mobile number. So see, after that, enter OTP here. After entering the OTP, they will ask one random create number. So enter your random number there. After that, one zip file is there. You have to download zip file exactly. After that, again it will go to this page. So next, no need to extract that zip file. Other paperless offline KYC, browse using the browser option, you have to upload here the zip file. After uploading the zip file, next you have to click on the checkbox. After that, next step you proceed. Next, for upload PAN card, the page it will open. See here, upload your PAN image, it's mandatory. You have with the PAN card. So using the browse option, you have to upload your PAN card. And after that, you have profile photo means, then you have to upload here. If you don't apply also, no problem. Which photo is in your Aadhaar card, that photo it will come. After uploading these two images, next page it will come for payments, like select payment mode like 50 years, 10 years, 1 year. Actually for freshers 1 year is enough, I think. So your wish, no problem, any plan you have to take. So if you click on 1 year validity, they are asking like 400, right? If you click on 1 year, the next page it will come, see like this 300, 400, all GST taxes and all, total NSR fee 472. This is for 1 year. After this page open, next you have to click on pay. Next page it will come like select payment mode, credit card, debit card, UPI and all that. Any option using, you have to pay 472. After that, you after payment done, next it will come like you have successfully registered. For the registered mobile number, one acknowledgement number also it will come. After within 24 hours, one IT pin it will come, though I mean 12 digits pin it will come. After getting the IT pin, I mean 12 digits pin, then you have to go to home NSR page. Then login option is there, so you have to click login and using your details login. After that, in this page it will come like my profile, change my request for logout. Then if you want NSR card, then you have to click on request for, there one option it will come like generate NSR card. Click on generate NSR card, then it will generate your NSR card. It means in this card one IT pin, I mean 12 digits pin and your photo and all is there. That card you have to upload in BGC, I mean in TCS next step portal. Yes, this is the process for generating ITPIN as well as how to apply for NSR within 5 minutes. I hope everyone understood this. If you have any doubts regarding how to apply NSR and any doubts, please comment below. Definitely I will reply to that. That's it for today. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Until then, keep watching. Bye bye.